So it's currently 4:53 right now, early in the morning. As you can see, it's still dark outside. We got a machete and we got our power bank, of course. So the swelling is going down a little bit. The swelling has gone down a little bit, but we wasn't too worried about it. But yeah, I'm gonna end up moving the bees right now. So in my backyard, I can't really see it. Tomorrow in the morning, that'll make perfect sense when I pick up the camera. You can see them. But we're honestly going to put them next to this. We're honestly going to put them next to this tree. As you can see, this table. So let me get my tripod, and then we're going to level this table. This is a little piano table. So you know piano tables are a little bit crooked. My friend Eddie gave me this to put the bees on. It's a good table for them. Let's put this light to charge. It's cold out here and windy. It's cold and windy. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna level it out. We're gonna level it out. So pretty much we're gonna dig. We're gonna bury the foot and then level it out. Alright, so let's do it. Alright, so there we go. We got the table in. I mean, see how it's slant? But I think it's fine. It's perfect the way it is. Looks perfect like that. I'm not gonna mess with it. We got all the bees on it. So now it's to put on my suit and go get the bees, they say. So I'm gonna pick up the camera when I put on my suit. Alright, so now we got our gloves and we got a sheet. We're gonna be using a sheet to bring it and some napkin. Sheet and napkin. So let's go. We're about to be on our way. Okay. So we don't want to talk too loud. We are friendly here. Let's get the sheet. I already checked the box. Seems like they're sleeping. They're calm and collective. So how we going with this? Alright. So I think I'm gonna take out this. It's gonna be a little bit difficult. We're gonna take out this. I'm gonna cover it with the sheet. Take out this because it's gonna be too much. So I can't just put it over there because then it's gonna be all messed up. So napkin. You gotta get the paper towel and we're gonna clog the hole. So for this part, we're gonna turn off the light. We don't wanna give them too much light. So we cover it with the sheet. That was a success. that's it. So everything went good. We're gonna pretty much put it on the bicycle and leave. So I'm gonna pick up the camera when we get back home. All right, so we just make it back to the backyard. As you can see, it was a success, they say. So now it's to set up the camera. Let's set up the camera right here. And then now we're gonna just take these off. You know, it's the grand finale. Just need to take this off. All right, so I guess they're doing fine. I'm just gonna open it and check it. It was a success. It was an easy transformation or transportation. Everything went smooth. The bees were calm, so calm in the night. But look, now we need is an upgrade of this box. But yeah, let's open it and look at it inside. Okay, so this is a week later. As you can see, there's an improvement with the box. We finally got box cover. Look at the bees. They're going wild. Since I came here, they're going wild. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys inside the box right now. It's been like a week. We released the queen in there. And I guess they're doing good so far. Yeah, I'm excited for this bee journey. I still have a lot to learn when it comes to bee, because I don't know exactly what I'm doing. But yeah, let's show you inside the box. Alright. Yeah, we bought this top off of Amazon. Ooh, look what we got. They're doing good. I think they're trying to sting me. This is 1 week later. I think they're trying to sting me. That's not about to be. They're going crazy. Yeah, that's it. I just took off the suit. The reason why the bees are acting like that is because I never smoked them. The best way to really check them is to smoke them, but I just wanted to check them real quick without having to smoke them, because I don't want to give them too much smoke. Because I just did that for the video to show you guys like a little update. See, I didn't really get into it. I never mess with the comb. We never do anything. We just show you like the top of the box. But yeah, they're doing great over there. I'm happy to be a beekeeper now. I just need to extend my knowledge. There's a bee right here trying to get me right now, but it's okay. I'm not gonna pay any mind. As long as I don't have on the suit, they should leave me alone. But yeah, thank you guys so much again for watching this video. transporting these bees to the backyard was a success. Never really had any problem. Everything went smooth, just like how it's supposed to be. So yeah, man. Make sure to like and subscribe. Gotta be careful because the bees, they're flying around here like wildfire. But yeah, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, all that, man. Welcome to Myron Wildlife, they say. Thank you so much for just watching, and I'm gonna see you next time. Bye.